What's up YouTube, back at you guys with another video. Today we're going to be working on a Kia Soul. We're going to be changing out the camshaft positioning sensor and the crankshaft positioning sensor. He went ahead and got both of them. I know y'all want to see the toys and stuff, but we got work to do today. So we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Alright guys, we got our tools out here. We shouldn't need much for this job. A ratchet, a 10mm socket, some pliers just in case we need to pull it out a little bit more. Pop this cover off. And it's right here. But there's two of them. I told the customer, which he's my buddy, I told him to buy both of them, but y'all see he didn't buy both of them. So let's see, I don't know, we'll just change one and see if the car does it a little bit better. That's the camshaft positioning right here, A and B. I don't know which order it goes in. And then the crankshaft is going to be under the bottom. Let me show y'all this real quick. Can they see that? Let's see, it's showing both of them are bad, A and B. Can y'all see that right there? So if y'all got any of those codes, it's gonna be the same thing for y'all's. So like I said, I told the customer to buy both of them, but he didn't. So we'll pull B, I guess, and we'll see if it helps it out. It's idling really bad, so I want to say B will be the back one, but I am not sure, guys. Should get on this side. Get on this side so they can see. It's just right here, 10mm. But if all else fails, he'll just have to go buy another one. There we go. There's a way to test these, but I don't know how, so we're not gonna get in all that. That's why I told him just buy both of them, because we ain't gonna know which one is bad or not. Oh, I didn't want it to come all the way out, but it did. So there we go. We got that one unclipped. We'll get our new one. It's the part number 19-0107. Y'all get that? Looks the same. You're really supposed to put a little oil on this oil ring. Alright, we'll drop her in there. Line it back up. I wouldn't recommend using an impact on this because you don't want to break anything. So I almost grabbed my impact. Then we'll see how it idles with just changing that one. And then we gotta jack the car up and get the crank positioning sensor out. And you just want to snug it just barely, guys. And then get this clip back on there. Just set it like that until you get it plugged up. Very easy, very simple job, guys. See, that's it. What I'm gonna do, it started, and we'll see how it idles. See if it idles any better, guys. We'll start it right now.
Talking about? I don't know.
Okay. Cleared up a little bit. But did y'all hear how it sounded when we started it? That's how it was sounding, real bad. But it sounds like, yeah, we're still having an issue. So, but it's easy to change them, guys. We're gonna, I don't want it to get too hot on me. So what we'll do, we'll turn off the camera for a second. We'll get the car jacked up. We'll go ahead and change the bottom one also. I got the car jacked up, guys. Now on the crankshaft sensor, let me show y'all the part number real quick. And if you're getting value from this video, make sure y'all drop a comment and a thumbs up. Let's see, let's get the part number out for this one. 18-2470. That's for the bottom one. So we're gonna get up under here. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Now the hardest thing you're gonna deal with is taking this plastic cover down. There was a couple 10mm bolts holding it, and then these little clamps right here. If they're already stripped out, you have to drill them out. So that's what I did. I had to drill 2 of them out, and then it came down. So it's gonna be hard to show you guys up under here, but let me get right here. So right there, y'all see it? Right there where my finger is. Take that 10mm off, and we're gonna unplug this, and the wire runs up top a little bit more. I'll show y'all a little bit more on it when I get it out of there. So let's get that going.
What you doing? Ha ha ha.
There she is. Got her pulled out. And then I'm not gonna be able to show y'all the clip because my camera won't fit under here. But I'm gonna unclip it, and we'll pull her out. And see this clip right here? That's clipped onto the frame. And then you unplug it from the top. Alright, I got her out. Had a little trouble with this clip. If you just put a screwdriver behind it on the back side, it'll pop out. Now we're just gonna lube the gasket, and then we'll go ahead and slap this one in and plug her up, and we'll see what we got. As you can see, everything is back where it's supposed to be. So we clipped it right here, plugged it in, got that in, and then it's clipped up there. So everything's back where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna put the 10mm bolt in, and we'll fire her up.
5 hours later.
Okay, let's see what we got. I'm gonna leave it jacked up for now, just so we can check everything. And he's also got an oil leak. I don't know if he wants to fix that or not. Excuse the camera. Yep. Let's try this now. Still sounds crazy like when you first started up, and then I don't know, still sounds weird though, guys. Sounds worse. He might have some bigger issues. I'm not sure, but we'll clear the codes and we'll see what comes back. All right, guys, come to find out, he did not have any oil in here. It wasn't showing on the dipstick at all. So I just filled it up, and y'all can see She's idling way better, and you don't hear all that noise anymore. So those of y'all that already know my channel, y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.